Do you think you have mold in your home? Do you or a loved one suffer ongoing sinus issues or feel you are constantly battling a head cold? Are you suffering from other symptoms associated with mold exposure and you want to do something about it? AdvantaClean of Fort Lauderdale can help. Mold is a common problem in homes across the country. It can be especially problematic in areas that have year-round temperatures that stay warm and tend to be humid. It travels through the air as spores and becomes visible once it has attached to surfaces in your home. Mold spreads fast and can be devastating to a home. If you believe your home has mold, you should contact a trained mold remediation specialist as soon as possible. They will help you determine if mold is a problem in your home, remediate the mold safely, and help you address secondary concerns about mold growth. It is very important that mold be dealt with safely and according to industry standards. Special equipment is required for removal and treatment of mold issues, and if done improperly, mold can become an even more dangerous problem for homeowners. Not only does it put those living in the home at risk, it can lead to an even more expensive and time-consuming cleanup. If you are concerned about mold in your home or you have concerns about identifying mold, AdvantaClean of Fort Lauderdale can help. To schedule an estimate, contact us at 754-218-8070.